Top 10 car insurance companies in Canada. Let's start. Owning a car exposes you to a host of financial risks. With car insurance, you can lessen the chances of facing financial problems, as it can cover damage to your car and other circumstances in which you would be liable to pay medical expenses and other bills. As such, choosing the right car insurance provider is vital and should be based on much more than price alone. Here are the best car insurance companies in Canada for 2020 based on car insurance review website carsurance.net. Let's start. Number 1, the co-operators. CarSurance identified the car co-operators Limited as the clear winner among car insurance providers in the country, as it performs excellently in the most crucial departments. It received an overall rating of 5 stars. 5 stars for customer service as well as discounts and optional coverages, 4 stars for prices, and 3 stars for financial strength. Among all its branches in Canada, the Alberta, Atlantic, and Ontario regions have the most satisfied customers, giving the insurer 5 stars in GD Power's 2019 Canada Auto Insurance Satisfaction Study. Co-operators is a multi-line insurance and financial services cooperative that boasts $47.4 billion in assets under administration. It over 6,000 employees and a financial advisor network comprising 2530 licensed insurance representatives. It also serves 241 credit unions with over 5.8 million members. Its financial solutions focus mainly on property and casualty, P&C insurance, life insurance, institutional asset management, and brokerage. Its P&C insurance products insure over 1.4 million vehicles and more than 8,75,000 homes. And the second one is the personal insurance. The personal insurance took second place in CarSurance rankings with an overall rating of 5 stars. It also received 5 stars for customer service, prices, and financial strength, and 3 stars for discounts and optional coverages. It is a massive hit with customers in Quebec and Ontario receiving 5 stars and 4 stars in the GD Power supply. Respectively. Despite positive feedback from customers, it did not take this top spot due to its limited availability, as it provides coverage only to its associated companies. The personal insurance group auto insurance offers standard coverage and optional coverage. The standard coverage protects third-party liability, collisions, accident benefits, and uninsured automobile. It also offers comprehensive coverage for loss or damage caused to the policyholder's vehicle in the situations other than collisions. Its optional coverage products include 5-year new vehicle protection coverage, liability for damage to non-owned automobile coverage, a worry-free option, a $0 deductible option, and accident-free protection coverage. And the next one is Intact Insurance. Intact Financial Corporation ranked third with an overall rating of 4 stars. It also gained 5 stars for financial strength, 4 stars for prices and discounts and optional coverages, and 3 stars for customer service. However, it received average customer service ratings based on region, with 4 stars in the Atlantic region and 3 stars in Quebec and Ontario and 2 stars in Alberta. Intact is one of the largest providers of P&C insurance in Canada and specialty insurance in North America, with more than 13,000 employees who support over 5 million clients in Canada and the US. Its vehicle insurance line offers coverage for cars, motorcycles, RVs, ATVs, and snowmobiles and boats. Intact Insurance also has a MyDrive program that rewards the policyholder for driving safely and provides personalized tips to improve driving habits. Aside from the standard plans, it offers coverage for Uber drivers and Turo car sharing services. And the next one is Desjardins. Desjardins Group gained an overall rating of 4 stars. It received 5 stars for financial strength, prices and discounts, and optional coverages, and 3 stars for customer service. Car Assurance recommends Desjardins for new car owners as it offers a widely variety of discounts and optional coverages focusing on customer service. It received 3 stars in the Quebec region in the GD Power study. This charting standard into auto insurance coverage includes a comprehensive third-party liability, collision and upset accident benefits, uninsured automobile coverage, family protection and direct compensation, property damage (DCPD). Meanwhile, its optional car insurance coverage comprises 5-year new vehicle protection, a trouble-free option, a $0 deductible option, liability for damage to non-owned automobiles, transportation replacement, and accident-free protection. The next one is Billet Direct. Billet Direct made it to the top 5 with an overall ranking of 4 stars, considered by car insurance as the perfect fit for Uber drivers and car owners with low mileage. Billet Direct picked up 5 stars for financial strength and 4 stars for customer service, prices and discounts, and optional coverages focusing on its customer service department. It scored 4 stars in Ontario and 3 stars in Quebec in GD Power study. Billet Direct is a subsidiary of Intact Insurance and has been providing car and home insurance solutions for over 65 years. Its auto merit program rewards policyholders safe driving and low mileage, providing up to 15% discount for driving less than 10,000 km per year and a 10% discount for signing up for the program. Its standard car insurance plan offers liability coverage, bodily injury and property damage, accident benefits, direct compensation, property damage, and uninsured motorist coverage. Its optional coverage includes accident forgiveness, auto comfort, collision insurance coverage, and comprehensive insurance coverage, and Billet Direct roadside assistance. And the next one is Aviva. Aviva received an overall rating of 4 stars, 5 stars for prices, 4 stars for financial strength and discounts and optional coverages, and 2 stars for customer service. Aviva Canada is a subsidiary of UK-based insurance company Aviva PLC. Aside from standard and optional coverages, it offers discounts that reward customers for bundling their car and home insurance policies, being a retired, insuring more than one vehicle, having no convictions, and staying claims free. If Billet Direct is the best option for Uber drivers, Aviva Canada is a perfect for Lyft drivers as it partnered with Lyft Canada to offer one rider sharing insurance for drivers and passengers who use Lyft driving. Next one is TD Insurance. Car Insurance identified TD Insurance as the cheapest car insurance option among the top 10 car insurance providers in the country, with a $56 rate for a full coverage policy in Montreal. It gained an overall rating of 4 stars, 5 stars for prices, 4 stars for financial strength and discounts and optional coverages, and 3 stars for customer service. TD Insurance is one of the largest direct response auto and home insurance groups in the country. Aside from affordability, next one is Economical Insurance. Economical Insurance received an overall rating of 4 stars, 5 stars for discounts and optional coverages, 4 stars for customer service, and 3 stars for financial strength and prices. In most regions, Economical offers its insurance solution exclusively through insurance brokers. Regarding customer satisfaction, it boasts 4 out of 5 stars in Ontario in the GD Power Supply. Next one is RSA Group. RSA Group has an overall insurance rating of 4 stars. It also received 4 stars for customer service, financial strength and discounts and optional coverages, and 3 stars for prices. It was commended for its additional benefits, including reward miles for regular premium payments. It is not included in the GD Power study, but it has an A plus rating on Better Business Bureau and an A rating from AM Beast. Similar to economical RSA only provides quotes through insurance brokers. The next one is Sonnet. Sonnet gained an overall rating for 4 star, 5 star for discounts, optional coverages, 4 star for customer service, 3 stars for financial strength, and 2 star for prices. With its online tools, it was described as a perfect fit for customers who prefer making transactions at home. Similar to RSA, Sonnet is not included in the GD Power study, but is an A plus rating on Better Business Bureau and A minus rating from AM Best. Sonnet is a fully online insurance company with a fast quoting tool, plain language policies, and a website that contains useful guides and studies. Meanwhile, its optional auto insurance coverages include accident forgiveness, ticket forgiveness, rental extension bundle, and a room service bundle.